Alright, hello guys. As I promised, here's a tutorial on how to design an airplane with a simple planes app. Alright, let's go to the app. My phone is a little bit slow. You just have to pardon me a little for that. With just 1 gig RAM. Okay, it's loading now. So just click play, build and fly, which is here. So if you're a beginner, this is where they will take you to. This is where they will take you to build your first plane. But we're not going to that place now. So you just have to click build and fly. So click play. Alright, it's loading right now. This is the plane I previously built, so we are going to build a very simple aircraft. We're going to build. So I clicked right this place to build a new plane, create a new aircraft. Okay, so this is the default setting for a new aircraft. So here now I'm just going to select one of these blocks, pull it to delete, pull to delete. Now all we are left with is this cockpit. So we can build our aircraft with or without this cockpit, and I don't want to use this cockpit, but it's already default. That is the default cockpit. You can't delete it. You can see the delete button is absent right now because you can't delete this cockpit unless you add a new cockpit and set it as your default cockpit. So that's what you're going to do now. But firstly, we are going to drag. This is the plus sign. Just click it, and you see the parts that you're going to start with. So click on structural. So we're going to start with the fuselage. So let's go to hollow fuselage. You can see it attaches right to the cockpit. So click on setting, the setting icon, edit fuselage shape, and increase the length. We're going to use I'm going to take it all the way to 10, which is the maximum length. Yeah. Then we are going to reduce the size a bit because this fuselage is too big. So just click forward. Then the width and the height is 2 units now, and it's a curved fuselage. So I'm going to use smooth fuselage. If they are different, you can edit the fuselage shape manually. So you're going to choose smooth. So we are reducing it to 1 unit. You can see that one is one here also. So take it backwards. The same thing. Smooth. One. Okay, I think we are good with this. Now we can add another cockpit. So go to uh, cockpit basic, scroll down flight computer. You can see it fits right into the fuselage. It can be quite a work to position the part well. I think we should just leave it there. Okay, it's even centered. Alright, so what we're going to do now, click on setting again, set as main cockpit because that is selected. When it turns yellow, it means it has been selected. So just set as main. Now it's primary, so you can't delete the flight computer now, but you can delete this one. You can see the delete icon is here now. Now we are going to uh, reduce this part a bit. Or wait, I think let's add a nose cone. Click on the plus icon, go to structural. You see fuselage cone. It's blended it automatically. So we're going to change the shape backward. Yeah, let's change the corners to smooth. It's blended perfectly right now. Alright, I think we should add a cockpit. Sorry, a canopy. Okay, cockpit interior. We're going to choose a canopy. But you can see this canopy is too big. So what you're going to do is just click this place, reduce the scale. So we're going to use 0.5. We're going to divide the scale by half. We're going to reduce the scale by half. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, tick it. You can see the fuselage, the canopy has been reduced. So just position it correctly. Yeah. Now let's go to the wings. Okay, let's go to the wings. Wings now. So let's just go straight to primary wings. You can see. I think it's okay. Let's click this icon right here. Then go to edit wing shape. You can see you can edit the wing shape. So I think since I'm building a jet, so I'm just going to keep it short or wide. So that is for a high aspect ratio. Okay, done. Yeah, I think we are good with this. Okay, I think we should make the tail as well. But first of all, reduce the backwards and reduce it to 0.5. Oh wait, I think let's maintain the height because of the cockpit. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Yeah. Now let's reposition the wing. Since we reduced the size of the back of the fuselage, there's a little bit distortion there, so that's been well positioned. Now let's go ahead and add the vertical stabilizer. Yeah, you see there's a dihedral option, you can add it if you like. Let's just edit the shape a bit. Yeah, okay, I think we're good with this. Now let's add a horizontal stabilizer. Yeah, we're good with this. I think the control surface is a little bit small, so let's just increase it. Okay, control surface, you can see pitch, edit shape, done. So, but I think this is supposed to be right here. Let's rotate it. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, now I think we're good. So we're just going to do one side. There's a reason I'm doing only one side here now. Okay, now just click on these three dashes. You see mirror aircraft. You can see it. You just click mirror. You can change the source. Yeah, just make sure the part you want to mirror are highlighted in yellow. So mirror it. And you can see automatically the other side has been inputted. So let's add our engine. Just you see from dashboard here, go to proportion. So which engine I'm going to add right now? Let's add a Blasto G15. You can choose anyone. So I prefer this because I think this one is too big for my aircraft, so just going to go with the smaller one. It's not fitting in, so I think I have a little bit problem here. Let me lift this a little bit so I can put this right here. Yeah, and this on top. Yeah, we are good now. Okay, you can choose to put your engine anywhere that it fits. You can also make an inlet for it and keep it in. So let's edit the rudder bit. We are good now. It's too long. Let's reduce it. Okay, it's okay now. Now don't forget to add inlet to your engine. So just come here. You can see inlet. Yeah, without it, your engine won't get any air. Now let's add landing gear. We are going to have a problem fitting conventional landing gear to the wing. So I'm just going to add the wing landing gear here. Okay, let's add another landing gear to the nose. Land retractable gear. Okay, you can customize your own gear if you like. Your aircraft. Yeah, now the gear have been added. I think we are going to have a little bit tail problem unless we move the gear backwards. I think it's okay here. Let's mirror it again. Uh, Now let's check the CG of our aircraft, which is one of the most important things you need to do while building. You can see the COM is the center of mass, the COL is the center of lift, and the COT is the center of thrust. So your center of mass should be at the front of your center of lift, but here, right here, is at the back. You can see the center of mass is the one in a red color. So just what you need to do now is to increase the nose cone so that just a fuselage shape length. Then right here, just add fuel there so that it can make the front heavier. Then add dead weight. You can see the center of mass is moving forward as I increase the dead weight. I think we are okay here. Now let's go ahead and test our aircraft. Okay, it's loading right now. Alright, it's still loading. Still loading. So we are going to the first flight test of our model right now. So it should be a fast model. Alright, it's loaded right now. You can see we are at the airport. Let's test our control surfaces to see if they are responding correctly. The ailerons, yeah, you can see them moving. Then the elevator, you can see it moving. The rudder, Yeah. Now let's go ahead and throttle up. Let's take it all the way to 100. Speed it will take off. Finally, it took off. You can see it's dangerously not heavy, and it's very very fast. This is over 200 kilometers per hour. You can trim the elevator a little bit to keep the nose cool. Let's try and throttle the landing again. Okay, let's check out this flyby view. Let's check out let's lose altitude. We need to lose a lot of altitude. Now trimming our elevator all the way up. You can see I did not shut down the power. If not, the speed will reduce at a very very fast rate, and we might not be able to control our aircraft at the end of the day. Okay, now I think we can off the power totally now. You can see the speed dropping. I just hope we make a fairly good landing. Okay. Oh, that's a very very bad landing. But it's good. Alright, I think our airplane flies pretty good. You can build your own better than this. It's just to show you, to demonstrate how to build a simple airplane with pixels. Simple planes. So you can build something better. You can use all the details I've shown you, all the functions. You can build a very very good airplane with this. You can build a better airplane with simple plane. Okay, you can change the color right here. Let's use a custom color. Custom. Let's make the wings orange and the tail heart. And let's make the fuselage blue. I think it's okay. And use a better color. Alright. Let me show you some of the planes I built with Picasso. First of all, we need to save our plane. Just click this. Let's save it as aircraft 1. Okay. Save. It's saved right now. So let's explore the default aircraft and some of the aircrafts I built. You can see this is the aircraft right on the screen. So let's open push plane. You can see it's a default aircraft. So it comes in simple and complex. You can see this quite complex, more very very advanced, and this simple. So this Canard jet is one of my build. Yeah, you can see it. And this fighter Jetco XL model. So I actually added some weapons. Gator 2, I think this is a helicopter. Yeah, it should load any moment from now. It's taking time. Yeah, you can see it's a very very complex helicopter. Okay, this is an armor tank, the jackhammer. Oh, it's taking time. You can see it. There's one cool looking tank. Alright, let me go ahead and show you my fastest airplane of the casting. It can go as fast as 6,000